I think that it is a mistake to just imagine Australia can build a future on what they call very high-tech manufacturing. I think for Australia to be a credible force in the international field, it must have a broad spectrum manufacturing base. It means adapting advanced manufacturing techniques from the most basic manufacturing right through to the most complex. You know, companies such as mine, which is a foundry, and it's thought to be the second oldest profession in the world, and yet we can adapt and we can put processes in that control information so that we can improve our systems and reduce our production costs. That's the key.
Well, I think it's critical for particularly the smaller innovative businesses to have a great deal of support. That of course comes internally, but also through government programs such as the ones we're witnessing with the advent of the small business improvement from the current government.
Certainly I think it comes back to the grassroots of manufacturing and what the industry needs in regards to support from the government, and we're a very passionate industry, and we work very hard on our trade, and I think we need support from all the areas of government to ensure that manufacturing stays vibrant within this country.
Well, I think one of the things we can do is really look at our own local research. There are a lot of very bright young people in Australia, but they need application to research with, and I think companies like Anchor can provide the environment where they really can focus on global technologies and integrating those around the world for global success.
I think the key to a lot of it is that the philosophy as far as the level playing field is not happening, and I think if we're getting products out of countries that are so subsidised by their governments and we're not, we should, I feel, be applying some sort of tariff to those particularly, because it's the people aren't getting paid what our people are getting paid, and we have a lifestyle in this country that we don't want to lose. We don't want to have a lower economy as far as people not earning incomes, so we need to be able to try and get a balance somehow with things that are coming in too cheap to help our manufacturers, or not be in those products and seek out the niche products where we can succeed.